Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have make another new picture for all of the Shopify store owner, that is Shopify animate parallax section for any Shopify store. So if you have started your business with Shopify and you want to make your Shopify store more professional, more eye-catching, without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, then this ready free code snippet will be very helpful for you. So as you are going to get it for free, I hope you should watch the full video and know about the details of this parallax section. So you can see that I have just closed my laptop because I just finished it to make this ready snippet for Shopify store. And if you also want to become a Shopify developer, this ready code snippet will be very helpful for you. So first of all, I want to share how you will get the ready code snippet. The process is very simple. You have to just check out the link in the video description. Then you will find the free ready code snippet download link. You don't have to spend any single money. It's totally free for any Shopify user, any Shopify learner, or any entrepreneur. So I have just completed my ready code snippet in here, and I want to show you again so that you can understand the benefit, feature, everything. First of all, I want to share that why you should use this. Actually, if you start your Shopify online store with free theme, then you will not get any parallax premium section like this one that I have already created for you. And second things is that if your homepage is not become a professional, high converting and boost yourself, then you are totally in stuck. You don't get much order or you don't get much customer on your Shopify store. Even if you get more visitor or bring more visitor from multiple platform, like bring traffic from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even using paid ad campaign, but when they visit your store or website, if they don't find your store looks professional and user friendly, they will not purchase the product. So that's why such a feature is very helpful for any Shopify store, and it directly help to increase your sales, reduce your store bounce rate, because it's totally relevant of Shopify to rank organically on the search result. So there have multiple features and benefit of using this ready feature, like at parallax section in Shopify homepage especially. Also you can use it anywhere. So as I record my computer screen, then you can see everything on my computer screen right now. So I attach this screen by recording in another part because I have to make everything ready for you to watch everything nicely. So another things I want to share that if you build your Shopify store by yourself using free theme, then you cannot make it professional. That's why you must have to use such premium feature. And why use parallax section for your Shopify store in homepage? Because for example, there have a nice user journey system, like when someone visit your store in the first time, which section they watch. Most probably they watch the header section, then main slider section, then premium, then promo section, then of course trending product, most selling product, and then you will add collection. But if you continuously add like a search box after one by one, then it's make your visitor boring. That's why when you add featured product and recently launched or new product, then you must have to create a gap between these two section and add a parallax section. If you add such parallax section on your Shopify store, then it's give your user a comfortable visiting or browsing your store. So that's why it's very important. Also, I share the details, the customization section in the skin. So I have added maximum customized section of this parallax section or feature so that you can customize and use it without no any single code or without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So everything is ready for you, just ready to download and save it. and also I'll show you how you can set up it on your Shopify online store. So you can see that here everything ready. I just open my laptop and now I'm going to my computer screen and show you in details how to set up it on your store. So now let's go back my computer screen and share all the details. Wow, you can see here is the recent work, and actually I'm making a gardening Shopify ready store for anyone who want to wild gardening store to sell gardening related products. So now let me show you the real things, or actually the specific things or element or section for this tutorial. Let's let's start. I'm going to scroll down. You see, when I scroll down, you see there is a sticky header menu, also shop by category, tab based product section, and here actually we are talking about these tutorials or this section, Parallax. You have to check very carefully. If I scroll down or scroll up, you see this image moving in a parallax way, you see, and this is actually where wild, and this tutorial is actually for that. You see, here is the ready parallax section, and now I'm going to show you the theme option. So let's go back the Shopify theme customization section. Before that, I'm going to show you again. Okay, now let's go back Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel. Then I'm going to click on the online store. Then click on the edit theme. And in the edit theme section, you can see all the theme option of this Parallax section. So click on it, and you see here's the all the option. You can add base tags, heading, subheading, description, primary button. You see here is the primary button, link of this button. Then you can also change the style of each button. You see, you can change the style based on your requirement. Then you can also control the padding for button, padding margin for button, secondary button, individual style for each button, and secondary button padding margin. Typography, you can control the font size, for example make it large, you see. Then you can change the color, typography, subheading, color, description, color. Then media, you can use image for mobile. This is another awesome things. Then here is the overlay section, use gradient overlay. Content position like center, you can move it on center, right and left, anywhere as you want. Text alignment, vertical position, horizontal position. Max content width, you can make it full width or narrow, medium, wide. Padding left right on desktop. Then padding left right on mobile. And layout, max width based on the Shopify horizon theme. This is the default width because Shopify horizon theme is right now Shopify recommended theme to use as a default theme, but still now Dawn is popular than horizon because a lot of people already built their store with horizon with Dawn theme. Then section height, full screen, you can use it as a homepage main banner, small, medium. Okay, padding for desktop, padding for mobile, effect. You can control the parallax speed, you see, and you can also add custom CSS. So I hope you understand everything about this parallax section, p chart, everything. Now your question is that how you can get this result or how to make it. Very simple process. Just check out the link in the video description. Then you will find a file. This file name parallax.liquid, and then you have to click on this three dot icon, edit code. You don't have to write any single code, anything. Just drag and drop this parallax hero liquid file. Simply drag and drop in section folder. You have to open the section folder. Very simple process. Then you will get the result. So I hope you understand. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, especially while any Shopify store from scratch or high converting or more professional SEO friendly super fast Shopify store, then you can contact with me. Also, if you want to learn Shopify, then you can follow my YouTube channel. I have uploaded more than 1000 video in this YouTube channel from last 6 years, and you can learn a lots of about Shopify store design, customization, development, even Shopify store SEO to rank Shopify store organically on the search result. So if you are a learner, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are a Shopify user or business owner, you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get more premium p-chart section, ready section. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this helpful, then don't forget to like on the video and click on the like button and subscribe button. Have a nice day. Bye bye.